Alright, so this course, 5 shots. So we're gonna start here and then move this way, shoot that target over there, and then we're moving this way. And then shoot that one. And we're gonna go walk here, shoot this one, and then bang, bang.
Hey, same rules, you miss one, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Y pelas?
Y pelas.
Shoot ready? Go. Okay. 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 Now hit the middle one. Was that a miss? The last one? Was the last one a miss? What?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the knife.
¿Tiene tiro?
Ah, no, la tienes que agarrar. All right, right here. Ready? Go. Se le falló. Sigue al curso, sigue al curso. Váyase para el otro.
Ok.
Órale, órale. Y los 3 ahí. Falló los 2 de los lados.
Es que se agachó.
No.
Se agachó.
Nah. Ain't no way.
Y qué mala jugada, se agachó.
He did this too.
¿Y what?
He was able to hit 2, but missed 3.
Yeah, just cock it. Hard.
Some John Wick stuff right here.
Ready.
Can't believe you missed the last one, dog. You was right there. You still believe you made that one, huh? Just like the other one when I beat you. Go. Was that a hit? Yeah, go ahead. No, yeah, it was a miss. Go ahead, continue. Finish all 3. Oh. Yep. Dang, you only made 2. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5.
Oh, yeah, he hit.
Yeah. He only hit 2. All right, who's next?
Pues, you tenía la ronda.
No, falta yo.
Ah, sí, necesita tu plática, sí.
Sí. All right. On that John Wick. Oh, Chad, baby. On that John Wick. I'm John Wick. Huh? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. All right, this is the real one. Y'all ready? All right, who's going first?
You?
All right, I'll go first.
Sensational.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. De pronto llegan los soldados. Ah! Yeah. Back to back. Ain't no stopping, champ. Let's go. Run it. You little Taurus. You little Taurus. Ready. Shoot ready. Go. Oh no. Oh Oh no! Hey, I'm gonna say you get you the Glock, man. Get you the Glock, man.
Practice.
Hey, what, how you...
Wait, what was going on? Was this practice?
No, this was the real one. We already did practice.
Damn.
Damn it is. Oh, you want again?
I thought it was practice.
Oh, he thought it was practice. Ah. You got 5? Thought it was practice. Okay.
Yeah, I have one more.
You need one more? All right. Shoot ready? Go. You ain't practice, man. You fun to run it back or what?
I'm about to add that hoe out.
Yeah.
All right, shoot ready?
Yeah.
Go. Yeah, take your time.
One eternity later.
You missed. Could continue forward. Okay. A la 1, a la 2, a la 3. He hit it? He hit it?
No.
Síguele, síguele, síguele. Ahí está, ahí está. Ah.
That's tough.
Next round is gonna be from front to back.
Ya no hay práctica, ya no hay nada.
Yeah, no
señores.
practice. Front to back right now. And if you lose this one, we're gonna have to run it back.
This one.
Yeah, whoever wins,
Okay,
basically.
all right, go ahead. Go. Okay, okay. 2, 3. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter, man. I'm him. I'm him. You can have it from the front, from the back, from the side to side, but I'm a champ, man.
What?
¿Cuál, tío? Esa.
Vamos a calar esta.
Vale. Go. Dale, dale, dale.
Lindo.
Ready, go. We tied, man. We tied.
You're gonna do drills with the ARs over there?
Yeah.
Well,
right.
now.
All right, so we tied. What you want to do?
I don't know.
Different drill or
3 long
different
shots.
course, or you want to do the same thing? But front this way. This way? All right. This is determining who wins, all right? Or do you want to do this course? Who wins best out of 3?
Best out of 3 on this one?
Yeah, best out of 3. From here to the end, best out of 3.
Are we gonna do it back to back? Oh, basic. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, best out of 3. This is the first round. This got 5? Yep. Come on, man. This too easy, man. This too easy. I'm doing Wick of Texas, man. Come on now. What you want to run? All right. Here, load this one up. Ready? Shooter ready? Go. Okay, 1-1. All right, 1-1. We both tied. No man. I mean, gotta teach him, huh? You gotta keep teaching them. All right, go. Yes, sir. I'm him, baby. I'm him, baby. Shooter ready? Go. All right. Oh! Oh! No, 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 sir. Sir. One out of 3. All right, so all right, go. Oh snap. Clean as a whistle, man. Clean as a whistle. Come on, man. Run it. Here you go. Shooter ready. Go. Okay. Okay, okay. 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 Oh.
Oh, say less.
Oh, the comeback? There's a comeback? Oh, man.
No.
Man, I know for sure I'm the champ. That's what I am. No, it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the next round.
Yeah.
So if I lose, we're tied. If I win, I win. All right, let's not choke. All right, Golden State has choked a three game lead, but this ain't gonna stay, man. This is Texas, man. We Texas boys out here. Go. Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Ready? Shoot ready. Go. Okay. Okay. Tie.